everyone! Our words, our wealth. Do you believe this? For today, you and I, we can communicate like a leader. To keep it simple, let's do WIN. So here are the tips. Number 1, watch and weave. Watch for facial expressions, body language of our client, of our audience. This will actually give us a big message. When we say weave, what do we actually weave? We need to synchronize what we are saying with confident non-verbal cues. Eye contact goes a long way, and this including like hand gestures and so much more, they can amplify our message's impact. Letter I, number 2, intonate and illustrate. You and I can vary our tone of voice because we know very well this accounts for 38% of our whole message. And when we say illustrate, we can use, of course, not just presentation materials, visuals, videos, but more than that, many times when storytelling comes alive, this is a more appropriate and appealing example. And finally, number 3, that's the letter N, navigate and nurture. So be prepared ahead of time. We need to practice active listening, of course, as always. And when we say nurture, what do we nurture? We can foster a positive communication environment by making sure that we acknowledge what is being said in front of us, as well as using encouraging and positive words at the same time. So remember, as always, the tongue can be a double-edged sword. So instead of harboring on the negative, you and I can always focus to win and be on the plus side. Remember, anytime and any day, we can stand out and shine.